Has a cashier ever convinced or tried to convince you to sign up for a credit card at the register so you can save on your purchase? It is tempting, but before you're lured in by the discounts, make sure the card is the best one for you. Our consumer watchdog, Jen Strathman, shows you how to choose the best reward credit card.
A free airline ticket. I'm already dreaming of my next vacation. Credit card companies will use all sorts of perks to get you to sign up. But here's how to choose the best one for your wallet. Figure out your habits. If you're a frequent traveler, an airline credit card might be for you because you get free checked baggage. But if you're not at the airport very often, keep looking. Look in your mailbox for the latest offers. Then sit down at your computer and go to websites like NerdWallet and Bankrate.com. That way you can see the latest offers at the time. Read the fine print of each offer and look for two things. First, how much do you earn for every dollar spent? I like cards that offer flat rates like double points for all purchases. Then look at the fine print for how much it costs to redeem those points. If you want cash back, it usually costs the most points. Once you have some credit card options, now it's time to figure out how much you spent last year. It's really easy this time of year. Banks create year-end summaries that really tell you how much you spend on everything from dining to travel. Once you know the breakdown of all your spending, now it's time to do some math. Take the amount charged and divide that by the cost to redeem those points. That equals your reward. Do this math formula for every card you're considering to find the one that will give you the most bang for your buck. And also, don't be afraid to look for cards that give you, that charge fees. Those sometimes are the ones that give you the best rewards. Go to WPTV.com/wisdom to see the formula again. And right now, I'm doing a live Facebook chat on WPTV's page. Join me there. You can get answers to all of your questions. Someone just asked me about cash in your laptop. I'm trying to answer him right now. So you can get answers to your questions on WPTV's Facebook page. And then also coming up, there's still more to come in all of our newscasts. If you're like most people, you probably get a lot of mail in your mailbox that you really don't look at. It's probably a lot of junk mail. Well, there are some very easy options for you to get off of all of those mailing lists. I'll walk you through that coming up at 5:30. And then at 11, a month out from the holidays. And have you used the gift cards you've received? Millions of gift cards go unused every year, but there is a way you can claim unused or even expired gift cards and get the money coming right back to you. How you can do it, all new tonight at 11 here on News Channel 5.